This hotel is so nice. I got my little slime station going on right here. They got a little couch thing, and they have one of these tables. So like, are you kidding? Alrighty guys, so we went to dinner and then we just got back to the hotel, and basically I'm just gonna go to bed tonight. Wait, what? So it's currently 9:30, so I think I'm gonna go to bed because I might have to wake up a little earlier than I would usually wake up on a weekend just to go to the convention for like setup and everything. But yeah, this hotel room is really nice, and this is like literally my only like time in it, because basically tomorrow we wake up, we have like breakfast or whatever, we come back up here, I pack all my stuff, and then I go right to the convention, and it'll be checkout time by the time the convention is going on, so I won't be able to have another chance to be in the hotel room until now. But that's okay. But yeah.
Okay. Ellie, let's talk about what you did. I don't want to talk. Are you feeling angry?
Reflect back.
You're angry.
Alrighty guys, the booth is all set up. So we have the menus, the little business cards, all the slides. I didn't have time to make that many because I was literally announced less than a week before the event. That's when I accepted the position. But I still need a good amount. Then we also have the squishies here. Our cash register, the wristbands, another menu, the banner. Yeah. Yeah, look at Snazzy Strawberry Slime's booth. I literally love her hydro slime so much. Guys, I'm so excited. I just got Hut Fudge Caramel Brownie from Snazzy Strawberry Slime over there. Look at this. This is so pretty. Also, Mango Dragon Fruit Refresher just sold out, which is really good. We still have quite a lot of everything else, so super excited. Guys, all of SquelchyCon is sold out now. Crazy. Here's the slimy gymnast. Here's America's Got Slime.
You got the attention.
Hi!
I love your booth. It's so decorative. Here's Efferensen. How do you pronounce your slime name?
Effervescent slime.
Oh, that's so cool. Such a creative name.
Hi!
Here's Slimes by Kato. Ode to a Potato Chip. Here's Sweet Slimes by Ava.
Sure, hi!
I love your slimes. These are so
Thank
cute.
you.
Oh my god, look at the glitters on these. I love this little display thing.
Thank you.
Here we have Radberry slime. No, yeah, slimes. Oh my god. So cute. Want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi!
Look at this Pikachu slime. That's so cute. Here we have Maddie B slimes. So here's their Blizzard bar. I saw this at Boston Slime Party. It's such a fun idea. Here's Piper's booth.
She's making a parfait bar.
Ooh. That's fun. Here we have Slime King. Ooh, a little $2 man. Dazo. Here we have my slime hut. Hi. Ooh, look at those lights. Your booth is so fun and decorative. I love it. Here we have Sunshine Glue. I love her label. So good. Here we have Cookie Slimes. Oh my god, I love this little bin. So fun. There's all their slimes. Whoa. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
I love your slimes.
Thank you.
Here we have corn with slime.
Oh my gosh, can I say hi to your
Oh my god, yeah, hi.
You should follow me. Slime right there. Yeah.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi, it's from slime here.
Oh my god, I love your booth.
I have to buy slime from your booth.
Oh my god, yeah. Here we have Twix slime. Ooh, wristbands. Oh my god, it's like slime art.
It's slime.
That's so cool. That's so cool. I've never seen that, like anybody do that before.
She's been experimenting with it, we'll see.
Here we have Sparkle's Slime Store. Ooh, Bougie Cereal. That's such a fun name. Starburst Long. Ooh. Oh, Sparkles. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
I'm Limery Slime.
Limery Slimery? Oh my god, I love the rhyme. Your booth is so nice.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Ooh, 30 ounces. We have Cloud9 Slimery. Your booth has so much. Like, I love all this. All these supplies. Oh yeah, VA Slime Supplies. I think I've seen you on Instagram. I love your little pearls. Look at those. Those are so pretty. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Here we have Satisfactory Store.
I can do this. I don't know why it's setting the
Want to say hi to the vlog?
Hey.
Ooh, look at your banner. I love your tablecloth. Okay guys, I'm gonna go get Nutella gloss. Which one is your favorite out of ice cream gloss or Nutella gloss?
Ice cream glass, but it's thicker.
Really?
Yeah, and it comes with a cherry jar.
Oh my god, that's so realistic.
I know.
That's crazy. Hyper Snap. Everybody's doing massive sales right now, so like there's so much going on right now. It's crazy. But look at that.
No, it's fine.
No, I want you to have that one. Oh god, guys, Piper is amazing. She gave me so many things today, and her event was amazing. Want to say anything to the vlog?
Follow me at Tree Shark Times.
Yes. Okay, everybody, we just finished at New York Slime Time. This is our cart. So sad.